classify the CNS transmitters and mention the main physiological function of each one of them. CNS transmitters has 10 classifications: dopamine, noradrenaline, acetylcholine, histamine, 5-hydroxytryptamine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, GABA, glycine, and purines. Noradrenaline control the wakefulness and alertness and mood. Acetylcholine is the arousal, learning, memory, and motor control. Histamine is the arousal reaction and mediation of central vomiting. 5-hydroxytryptamine is the hallucinatory behavior, feeding behavior, vomiting and control of mood, sleep, and sensory pathways. Glutamic acid and aspartic acid is the fast excitatory transmission. GABA is the inhibition in all areas or CNS. Glycine is the inhibitory transmitter in spinal neuron. In purines, ATP as transmitter, and adenosine as widespread modulator.